wrong.
Come on, man. Did you just sit it? What the f*** is you doing?
I'm sorry, that was an accident.
You got my fucking hair in
Yeah. I'm fucking sorry. I don't know.
You sorry for
I'm
all
so.
you
This is
niggas?
so embarrassing. Here. Take this.
Stop that shit.
Stop.
Man, let me get some money for my fucking hair.
I'm so sorry. I don't know.
You do so dumb.
I'm so sorry.
How the f***
I don't know. I don't know.
You need another job because you don't know what the f*** you doing.
Yeah?
How the f***? Yeah, absolutely. You need another one. What the f*** you just did to my hair?
I'm sorry. I got a $500 gift card for you. It's
How the f*** I know that shit real?
It's my grandma's. She gave it to me.
Grandma, my fucking ass. How much on now?
$500 for beauty.
$500 for real?
Yeah, because we're shooting a prank and I know what I did to you. So, $500 here. That's for you. Oh my God, you just gave us the best reaction ever. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh! I'm sorry.
Who you work for?
Wow. I'm sorry. I can show you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's still good. I'm so sorry. I can repay you.
No, not you.
Stop.
Are you crazy?
I have $500 gift card for you.
No.
It's
This
five.
shit probably don't even f***ing work.
It's real. Filming you.
What did you just do?
I'm so sorry. Oh,
Oh, you fucking
sorry.
How the f*** am I supposed to go to work right now?
I'm so sorry.
Oh my God, you don't speak fucking English, you fucking white boy?
I'm sorry, my green card, my boss.
Oh my God. Oh God. Are you fucking racist?
No, I love black girls.
Prove it then.
It's your turn to suck me now.
Oh, you fucking piece of shit. I'm about to fuck you up. I swear to God.
Wait,
that
what?
better work.
Yeah?
That better fucking work.
Yeah,
honestly.
it's a beauty supply, $500.
Bro, I have fucking work. Are you?
We're shooting a prank, actually. This is all for a
Oh
fucking
my
prank. Yeah. Oh, my hair is for you.
Yeah.
Oh, my I'm sorry.
Are you stupid?
The boss told me to vacuum leaves. Oh my God, he meant leaves. No. Why would you
blew my goddamn wig off. What the f*** with you?
I'm sorry.
You got it, Sean?
It's a joke, not a don't take it so hard. I got you a $500 gift card.
It better
It's
have
for a beauty salon.
It better have some goddamn
Yeah.
It better have some.
No, you're on camera. We're shooting a video.
What? You got me on video?
Yeah.
Are you fucking crazy? I'll f*** you
Oh,
up.
sorry.
You could take that motherfucking wig and stuff it up your ass. I don't give a f*** about that wig.
Okay, it's $500.
I got $500.
Yeah.
It better be $500.
Yeah, it is.
Hey man, what the f*** wrong with you?
I'm so sorry.
Fucking man or something. Try me. Don't try me like that. What the f*** is wrong with you, man? I'll knock you in your motherfucking mouth, man.
Mama, you tripping.
Man, leave me the f*** alone.
Mama, you
Pay for this motherfucker.
You're the reason why this country needs directions and shampoo.
You don't finna put your motherfucking hands on me. Put my motherfucking house.
How do you know?
Like you done lost your motherfucking mind.
You
You don't know me like that. I paid for this.
$1.
I paid for this. What you talking about?
You're a blessing in
You
disguise.
talking about? You better stop playing.
You paid
I get one of these boys to beat your ass around here.
Got you.